Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology True or False. This is part 48. Let's go to our quiz. Most of the glucose carried by blood is transported by the red blood cells. False. Much of the bacteria contained in the food we eat are killed by the acids in the stomach. True. Adaptation of species are determined by the genes contained in the DNA code. True. Mendel developed the theory of natural selection in the year 1800. False. Natural selection can act upon an individual's genotype, the external expression of genes. False. Natural selection operates only on the individual over many generations. False. The entire collection of genes among the population is its gene frequency. False. If you know the phenotype of all the organisms in a population, you can calculate the allele frequency of the population. False. Wisdom teeth are an example of an analogous structure. False. Many migrations are caused by factors in the environment, such as radiation or chemicals, but others happen by chance. False. When a gene pool does not change from generation to generation, it has reached equilibrium. True. Mutations are important in evolution because they add new genetic material to the gene pool. True. Genetic drift is more likely to occur in large populations. False. The factor that causes the greatest change in a gene pool is mutation. True. Scientific evidence of evolution can be based on anatomy, biochemistry, paleontology, and habitat. False. Natural selection is a random process. False. The scientist Lamarck thought that organisms inherited their needed characteristics. True. During the process of evolution, organisms change from their ancestors. This is called descent with fabrication. False. When organisms originate from a common ancestor but adapt to different environment, this is convergent evolution. False. Macroevolution can cause the extinction of a species. True. Pedigree shows the evolutionary history of an organism. False. Darwin was on the voyage of the Beagle when he collected most of his data from the Galapagos Island. True. Dear friends, thank you very much for attending to Biology True or False Part 48. Let us meet again in another Biology True or False Part 49. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.